YouTube, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel everybody. RC's Finest back at you again with another vid. Want to say thank you to all the subscribers once again. Thank you to my lovely wife for allowing me to do what I love to do. Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. I know I am. Shooting another vid as usual on my day off. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the thumbs up, the thumbs down. It's all appreciated. What we have here today is something special I've been working on, something different, something new to the channel as usual. This here is the Sin F450 custom build that I've been doing. I made it a super monster truck, and I think it came out really sweet. Once again, everybody, thank you for tuning into the vids. Right off the bat, I want to answer a few questions that I've been getting. I get all the time. I tell everybody the same thing. I am a builder. I am a creator. I take a platform and I make it my own. I strip it all down, build it back up, make it my own. Okay? That's what my channel is about. So if this isn't the channel for you, you have plenty other videos to go watch. You can kick back and watch your TikTok all day long if you want. You do not have to tune into my vids. Okay? These are for people who like to see builds, custom builds. Okay? Do I run my cars? Yes, I do. After I build them, I test them and run them. And then they go up on the auction block. That's what I do. Okay? I didn't answer this so many times. I'll answer it again. This is what I do. This is what my channel is about. And this is how I roll. If you're not interested, please click off the video. Okay? Disclaimer. Once again, thanks to all the people who's been supporting, hanging in there with your boy. Okay? Once again, like I said, this is a Sin F450 custom build. Monster truck that I have raised up and totally rebuilt from the ground up, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of what we did. Once again, you know my videos aren't long, they aren't edited, they aren't scripted, they aren't anything. It's a raw video. If you're looking for the nice intro music and outro music and all the special effects, that ain't my channel. I do my own thing on this side. And that's the way it is. Okay? I've been doing this for a long time. You done checked out all my videos. You done seen the builds I've done. This is the way my channel rolls. Once again, if you don't like it, you are more than welcome to click off. But if you watch this far and you listen to me ramble on, you must be interested. So here we go. Once again, Sin F450. Custom build. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a walk around, tell y'all what I did, and I'm gonna get you up out of here. Okay, so once again, I want to thank Big James Bailey at Crawlers and Customs for the custom lift. This custom lift he makes, where that says the CNC, this is his lift. Okay, you can find him on Etsy. You can find him on eBay. Excuse me, not eBay, but YouTube. Excuse me. He's not on eBay. He's on Etsy. So you can find his lift there. This is a 40mm lift, and what I did to it, I jacked it up a little bit more. I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of what I did. Okay. So in no specific order. Once again, thanks James for the lift. And for all the help you gave me and everybody on the Facebook platforms, Sin 450 platforms that helped me on this build, answered my questions. So the remote I'm using this with the Tactic. I'm running my Tactic TTX 300 on this build. I've got plenty extra receivers, so I just bound that up to the Tactic radio, and it works great. Okay. I'm running the Sin Steel front and rear diff lockers in here. Front and rear locked, just in case you want to pull or you want to crawl or do anything. Okay, chaos links all the way around. As y'all see, the black links all the way around. The chaos links. Okay, front and rear. Chaos diff covers, front and rear. That's the machine diff covers you see there, front and rear. Okay, show all the front. Okay, y'all see up in there. Chaos link supports. Excuse me. So all the link supports are aluminum. Change out all the link supports. Front and rear, same thing, front and rear. Change out all of them. Okay. And I'll show you the inside and the bottom of it as we move on. Okay. Chaos pan hard bar supports. Pan hard bar supports, aluminum. As y'all see right there up top. Front and rear. Okay, that's the front and rear of those. You can see that one right there. I'm running 150 millimeter shocks with this, which is the tallest shocks you can put on here. Kind of skeptical about it, but I got everything to line up. As you see, the wheels, because what that does was you go with bigger shocks, and with his lift, it pulls the rear wheels and the front wheels into the center of the body, so everything doesn't line up. And all your geometry is all off, and everything just off. But I made it work. It took me a while to get it to work, but I got it, because that's what I do. Okay, upgraded orange standoffs. Okay, his kit comes with black 40 millimeter standoffs. I put 45 millimeter standoffs in mine, and upgraded them everywhere you see the orange bars. Those are standoffs. Okay. I had to do that in order to make this work, in order to line everything up and center everything and make sure everything's centered back like it was, or else your truck's geometry is going to be off, completely off. Okay, 2-inch servo horn on here, servo arm on here. Had to do that so you wouldn't have the servo arm in so much of a angle. Put a 2-inch on there, solve the problem. Okay. Thumb screw body mounts, put those on here. Thumb screw body mounts. Okay, front and rear. Got rid of the body pins. Those are 3D printed. Works great. M4 screws. Okay. What I'm running on here is a Proline 1.9-inch Super Swampers G8s. The tires are the Interco tires with the Impulse beadlock rims. That's what those are. I just touched them up and did my own thing to them because they don't come silver like that. I made them silver, painted them silver. Okay. Happy 8 40 millimeter hex extenders for the rear wheels for the dualies. That's to make these dualies 40 millimeters and to connect them. It's a guy out of Europe. England makes them. Happy 8 RC. Okay, they have a 12 millimeter hex that goes in there. Made it a lot easier for me to do what I need to do. Blue aluminum wheel nuts on here. All the way around. Okay. I'm going to pop the top and show y'all what I did to the top. In the inside. Then we're going to get you out of here because this all chains in the inside. I changed everything up. Pulled the stock system out. New servo. Pulled up, gutted the whole truck in the inside. It's all been gutted. So everything's been gutted on this truck. Okay. And I'll show y'all what I mean. Alright. So this is what the inside looks like. Okay. I'll start with the back and work my way up to the front. RPM receiver box. Bigger receiver box. The one that comes in here is really small. I mean really small. So I put the RPM receiver box in there. A lot more room. Okay. Carbon fiber battery tray. Move the battery tray back and reposition the battery tray. Okay. I'm running a Spectrum Firma system. This is an 85 amp ESC with the 3300 kV motor. Awesome setup for this truck. Runs great. Programmed it with the program card and everything and got it to where I wanted it. Got everything switched over to how I like it. Runs great. NHX fans. High-speed fan on the motor. Went with the blue wire loom. As you always know, my wires are, I like my wires to be neat. Everything to be neat. Okay? And that's the kit. That's the lift kit. Okay? From Crawlers and Customs. It lowers everything down. Your links. It drops everything down. Everything's lowered. So you get that low center of gravity and raises your truck. Just like you would on a normal truck that you would build. You would drop everything down. Okay? So that's the 150 millimeter shocks I put on. Mounted them at the standard location. You can mount them here a little lower, but with the 150 millimeters you can't do that because they're too tall. This is the maximum this truck can go. This is really tall. This truck is really up there. Okay, that's a look on both sides. How I ran everything. Running my XT90s as usual. Yeah, build came out good. I like the way it came out. Haven't seen one like this yet with the stuff that I've done to it. So, as you always know, I try to do things different. Okay, so let me flip it over, give y'all a look at the bottom, and we're going to get you on out of here as usual. Okay, so that's what it looks like. All the links upgraded. Aluminum. Drive shaft holder, bearing holder, aluminum, and the rear. Okay, all redone. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like in the back, flipped over. A few that are taking notes. Okay, that's about it, y'all. Just another build. New to the platform as usual. Never had one. Always wanted one, but didn't want it the same as everybody else's. So that's where I come in and, you know, do it the way I like to do it. As usual. RC's finest way. Okay. Kind of hard with one hand. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Another build. Came out nice, beautiful. Once again, thanks everybody for subscribing. Thanks everyone for the comments and the thumbs up. Hope I answered some of your questions that I get all the time. You know, I'm a builder. I do run them, but I don't run them to thrash them and don't run them to tear them up, because this is what funds my projects. I build, get rid of, and that funds the next project. That's how you do it. That's how you keep rolling, keep your inventory going. Okay? So this is it. The Sin F450 huge monster truck. Custom built. RC's finest. Alright, y'all. Stay safe. Keep your family safe. God bless everyone. Continue to support, and I'll continue to do what I'm doing. As long as y'all watching, I'm building. This is RC Finest hitting you back with another vid, and we out. Peace.